情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and here comes夏以儷with a song called A Dad Has Heard, or 阿爸有听著. Now, it's a story about her great-grandfather who adopted a little girl when he was in Taiwan, and that would be夏以儷's grandmother. But a few years later,夏以儷's great-grandfather had to return to Japan to his home country and was forced to separate from his family. So, A Dad Has Heard is narrated from his perspective, asking the daughter to always listen to her mother's advice whenever the girl meets someone. Well, let's take a listen.这是一首夏以儷的阿爸有听著，也就是爸爸有听到，是在描述夏以儷的曾祖父当时在台湾领养一位小女孩，也就是夏以儷的祖母。但几年后呢，曾祖父要随日军遣返，被迫与家人分隔两地，所以呢，他是从曾祖父的角度跟口吻来叙述一些事情，尤其呢是要叮咛女儿要跟随着妈妈听妈妈的话哦。Alright, that song again is by 夏以儷 called A Dad Has Heard, another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.